this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles. And anyways, what we have here is from Lotus Foods. This is from the U.S. Garlicky Veggie, let's go that way. Rice ramen. I'm skeptical, but we'll see. What we got in here? We got a noodle block. Now look at that. Whoa, this thing is like a hockey puck. Where's that fill line? There she be. And then we've got a soup, freeze-dried souple. That's what I'm gonna call it. A cube, like a cube, but for soup. See that? These are pretty neat because when they, we'll see. I'm really, I would like this to be good. But it came from the dark side. Okay, it came from Whole Foods. Whole Foods really is a weird place. They've got some stuff that I'm just like, what the, why? It's made of plants! Hallelujah! It's made of plants! It's all made out of plants! There's a lot of veggies in this, and that looks like, ooh, a lot of garlic too. Does it have flavor? We'll find out. So there, we need 3 minutes. And, yeah, we'll see how that goes. In the 3 minutes allotted. Honestly, I thought I was going to be microwaving this, but the microwave directions were a little... Yeah, I don't know. So I figured I'll go with the directions that totally 100% make sense. And now kind of thinking back on it, the microwave directions aren't all that difficult, but I just figure... Yeah. Well, it was sunny earlier. That's done now. They're putting new pavement down on the street right in front of our place. So that'll be stanky. But now if it's just going to start dumping rain, I don't know how much of that they're going to do. I don't know. Maybe they can just do it in the rain. It is hot. So 1 minute and 50 seconds to go. It's 10:07 according to the clock on this thing, so it's probably more like 10:10 in the AM here on Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show that makes you cry with the efficiency and the beauty of the show. It's up for an Academy Award this year, I think. I don't know. But I feel kind of like Will Smith because I never get invited to the Academy Awards. I haven't in the past 40 years. They never invited me. So, yeah. I would like to be officially not allowed to go, but I'd have to be an A-lister for that. So, but yeah, this show is probably the best show you will ever see. And you should tell all your friends and family how amazing this show truly is. Little slice of life in your busy, hectic day. A little way to calm down. A little way to, think about the important and finer things like instant noodles. Anyway, guinea pigs are guinea pigging. Wow. Betty's looking all majestic up there. Let's look at majestic Betty. Betty! There she is. Wow! Hey, Betty! Wow, she looks practically stuffed. Hey, Betty! Betty! What if I wrinkle some plastic bag? That might do it. No? She just doesn't care. She's She must have had too much Timothy Hay and she's just kind of staring off into space. She's like, what are you talking about? I hear you talking. Yeah. Betty's been getting a lot of harassment from the other guinea pigs, so it's understandable she might be a little verklempt right now. Not interested in the whole show. All right. Now it's on. It looks like, I'm gonna say I'm impressed because these all look like large slices of garlic. I could be wrong, but that certainly looks like a healthy slice of garlic. I'm hoping this is good. We shall see. Let's give it a go. Beep. Rice ramen. I've tried the pillow packs of this and I was very, very unhappy. That was a long time ago. Indeed, there is garlic. That's really quite good. Exceedingly lackluster broth. That's like got about the flavor and characteristic of something that is supposed to be like plain. But I gotta say, the garlic in there is interesting. I don't know. The rice, honestly, these taste like, I want to say like basmati, which is one of my favorite styles of rice. Here comes trouble. Hot stuff in here, Mimi. Steer clear. That's definitely not in her wheelhouse. But yeah, there's nice large slices of garlic in here, which I'm going to have to say I'm pleased and impressed by. Since we've got garlic going on, I'm going to add some more garlic. There's some more garlic. And I think we're going to add in some sesame seeds. He's doing a morning workout, I guess. What are you doing over there, memester? Yeah, that's what I had a feeling the funny noises were coming. Stinky water, she said. Stink bubbles? Well, at least you didn't turn off supermarket sweep, so you get to live another day. And a little bit of crushed red pepper, I suppose. Stinkalo, is that like a juggalo? Oh, I'm a stinker. Let me see. No food for you, kid. Alright, Rotato. Alright, well that's it for today's show. I don't know what I'll have for you tomorrow. I'll have some. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.